Guys, it's Rosie back here with a giveaway. And today's giveaway is, okay, it's a scarecrow, because why not? And this one I actually have organized, because I'm pretty untidy, and every giveaway I do, I never actually end, honestly. I don't even care, but yeah, every giveaway I do, I actually just don't end. And what you have to do to get this is comment on your username, status, of course, your favorite fave dessert, and why, and just reason. That's all you have to do. It can't be that hard. And I'm just going to be closing my eyes and moving my mouth like this and just choosing a random username, and that's who wins. So, yeah. But I stay flowers. Wait, there's another scammer I know. Puppy Girl 65. I don't know if she actually scammed or not. Like, I don't have full proof, mostly, but yeah. So I'm at her den. It's launched. No, go to your den. I'm not betting her though, but she scammed. Like, really badly. Because okay. So she had like a billion, like 5 or 6 specs on her trade, and she was just like, trade me, like, well, not trade me, but, well, I didn't say anyways. That's the other person, but they didn't scam. Forgot their username though. Stupid, but she said, go to my den to win spikes. So everyone, of course, went to her den, and then she said, first person who jam guns me gets the spike wristband. And then this one girl got the spike wristband, which wasn't a full scam, and then we have to, of course, trust the classic. Trust. Why? I'm recording. Recording a scam video. Why? Did she seriously block me? Idiot. Oh, it's because they sent her gym gun thing I was recording, and I have in my files, so, but, yeah, she scammed, but, so, we need to go to Small Township and say, report Puppy Girl 65, she's so mean. Well, first she played nice, and then I asked her, I played dumb, like she does. And then she just did, basically, she was scamming, because that's what stupid scammers do. So, that's all I wanted to say. Scammer in town, and Scammer and Jamal, and giveaway for Scarecrow. So yeah, hi.